Welcome back to another video. I had put, you know what I'm saying, the little fog light tint on, right? So I recorded everything. I recorded me. I had to go buy a heat gun from Lowe's. I had put the fog light tint on. I recorded everything. I had put the little belly plate on the engine cover underneath it. I recorded all of that. I'm gonna show you what happened. So hold tight. So I put in both SD cards. I put in the GoPro SD card and I put in the one from the Canon. So I put them both in at the same time, and I exported all the files to the computer and I put it into my editing software. When I did that, I pressed eject on the USB on the hard drive, but it was like, nah, some programs still running. So now I exited everything. I did it again. It's like, nah, program's still running. Like, ain't nothing running. So I just unplug it. No, sir. None of the files was working from the Canon footage. The GoPro stuff I still got, so I'm gonna upload all that stuff. None of what I recorded from me putting the fog light tint on, none of that, nothing worked. So I deleted everything on accident. And I was really mad when it happened. But I was like, man, let me go try to record another video. Let these folks know what happened. So I don't just got GoPro footage that I can't use. So that's what this is. So I'm gonna just go show y'all what the finished product look like. Yeah, so this is what I got. Yeah, so like I said, man, I recorded everything I did, like taking the bump off. I put the little plate underneath it, but I ain't put it like connected to the bumper because I'm finna get it painted again. But I recorded everything I did, man. It ain't gonna happen no more. Let me show you, cause I got more bad news, man. Hold tight. This is the bad news I got. This right here. So how the headlight got like that? I drove it to work. Like this past week I drove it to work and it was foggy one day. And it was like condensation started building up in the headlight. You kinda see like on the edge you can see some like flag. But ain't no telling, man. I probably put the headlights back together wrong. Like, I don't know. But yeah, the new headlights might be coming sooner than expected. Ain't no telling. But let me know what y'all think about the fog light. And after this video is about the fog light and the install of that right there. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks good. I rock with it. It worked for me. But I do got good news though. Hold on. This came in the mail. MHD tuning. I'ma compare high act stock, you know what I'm saying, do a couple of pulls probably, exhaust noise 0 to 60, you know what I'm saying, see the differences between high act stock and how I act with the tune on it. And then, man, we can go from there. But in the next video, the bumper will be painted. So, like, this little mismatch I got going on won't really be there. We'll see how he do. I'ma upload the little GoPro footage. I had to switch to the GoPro because my camera too big to be under the car like that. Ladies going up. Oh, without this wood, it'd be too low. I couldn't get it up under there. Video how I be doing this little thing when I be driving. And this might be it. Probably might get my rotor turned soon. You can hear that? I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. I don't know. Probably don't even be this restricted. But this one is like, dang, quiet. A lot of work to do for it. Yeah, so I got it in, but I had to cut the camera off because, man, how long it was taking me, the camera was gonna die by the time I got done. All it was this bolt right here, this bolt, this one right here, one back here, see that joint, and then one right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's all the ones on the bumper. But I'm about to take the bumper off so I can do these fog lights. But yeah, man. I know it's messed up. Everything got deleted, but I'm here trying to, man, make this little footage right now. Let me know how this video was, man. Comment, like, and subscribe. But this gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned. I'm out.